Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's I'm going to show you how to link your calendar with your tables or databases in the Notion desktop application or the Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion web portal and sign in with your Google account or Apple account, or you can just sign in with your email address, or you can just open your desktop application and then you will need to follow these simple steps. Here in this example, I'm going to create a new database so I can show you how to link it with your calendar. So basically, we will need to create a database. So here I'm going to click new database and search here, for example, dates. Here I'm going to add a property which is date so it can be shown in my calendar, for example. So I'm going to add dates here and some names to my records. So give it name one, like this, like this, like this. And here I'm going just to add some dates here. So now we need just to create a new view, and as you can see there is a view that is called a calendar here, and now you can just link it with your calendar here. Or you can have, for example, your calendar here. So we need to go for links or relation, and you will need to have, for example, your link or your table that is linked with your calendar database here. So as you can see, now it is related to a database that I have already created in my workspace. So you can add relation, and now you will have a relation between the previous calendar that I had and this new table. Or as I just said, or you can just create a new calendar view and you will have your calendar here perceived here. Or you can add your calendars linked templates or linked calendar dates here, and they will be shown, for example, here if you have some relations here. So the main idea is to have a database and to have a calendar, and then you can link them with this view if you want. And you can add a link to another database which is or which have already a calendar view, and you can add them here, for example. And as you can see, I have it here showing. So basically, this is how you can link your calendar with your tables or databases. Thank you for watching and see you next time.